This is how I made $250+ in 8 minutes, risking only $50. Today I took two trades on micro S&P future contracts. Both were A+ setups. One was a break-even and the other one made me 5R. Let's break down exactly how. Before jumping into the trade, let me give you a quick market context, the overnight market direction, my key levels, and my game plan. So in the previous session, which was a Friday, we saw a big sell-off. So the market recovered pretty good during the pre-market. Marked two key levels here. One was 6,700, which is a pretty obvious level price point, and one was here, which was 67.24 to 67.28. I saw that during the last two sessions the market rejected this price point quite a few times. One time here on Friday, which the big sell-off started here, and today. So we're gonna discuss this. And then my game plan was here. Either we're gonna reject this, or we're gonna continue, and then I will be buying here somewhere above here, targeting the highs, which is 67.70s. So when the market opened here, the market gave me this opportunity, but I did not take it. The only reason I did not take this trade was because of the volume. If we look into this volume and compare it with the previous two sessions, let me mark it down here. What do we see here? The opening volume was not even half, comparing to the previous two sessions was not even half after the last two sessions. That's why I did not take this trade, because it was not an A+ setup. So I had to wait. And this is exactly what I did. So it was after 10 a.m. when I started seeing some rejection here. If we see here, the first bar, and just for the context, it's a 5 minutes bar. The first rejection. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Yes. So rejection. So at exactly 10:11 a.m., I entered the market and I shorted the market with 3 micro contracts of SES futures, which are MES. And at first I saw a good sell-off, which I liked, but at 20 moving average, it started showing some, it was holding at 20 moving average, and it started showing a little bit of strength, which I did not like. So this is exactly what I did. I moved my stop loss to break even from above here. And sure it did. It stopped me out. And then after some consolidation, it started selling off again. And this time more aggressively. And this is what I saw on Bookmap here. So if I play that, let's make it a little bit faster. Maybe a little more. Here at 10. So this is 10 and this is 10:11. Here I saw that there were aggressive buyers, but the price did not move up. And sure it did. It started selling off. So I entered somewhere around here. And after it stopped me out, let's make it a little bit faster. So the market started consolidation here and it started selling off again, and this time more aggressively. So this is where I entered again at around 10:36, right? I saw there came in some buyers, but the price couldn't move up. So I got in again with 3 contracts, and here it is at 10:36 at 67.09. And then when I saw some more selling, I added to my position. So now I have 6 contracts total, and my stop loss was somewhere around here, around 2 or 3 points. So here I add 95 here. When I saw some strength, I took out 5 contracts and then I left 1. But then I saw some more strength. I was like, you know what? I'm done with this session, and I completely closed out our position. So the outcome was a sweet 14 points short of $250 plus, risking only and only $50, around $50, in 8 minutes. Again, thank you for watching, and let me know if you would like me to share my trades. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace.